let's try to estimate the value of square root of 36.1. Well, when you encounter this one, well, like, we can just like approximate this one by like your brain, right? Just like, and think about this one, square root of 36.1. Oh, we know about square root of 36, right? Oh, it is a little bit bigger value, right? So we assume it will be, since like square root of 36 equals 6, square root of 36.1 will be a little bit bigger than 6. That is good estimation, okay? So now, how big it is? Well, I cannot find exactly how much it is, okay? But we can estimate with a linear approximation, okay? So let's do it, okay? So basically, your function must be square root of x, okay, which is given in the problem, okay? And the nearest point is 36, which is really unknown, which is known, okay? So now, here we go. So your linear approximation L can be found by f of a plus f prime a and x minus a, right? And then, like for this case, your a is 36. That's it, right? So we need f of 36 and f prime of 36, right? So first of all, f of 36, which is square root of 36, right? That is 6, right? Then what is f prime x? Well, okay, look at that. Your function f of x is square root of x, right? Which is x to the 1/2, right? Then f prime x is by the power rule, right? 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. Right? So let me rewrite this one as the positive power, or like a square root, okay? It is 1 over 2 square root of x, okay? Now, just plug in 36 in there, okay? F prime of 36 is equal to 1 over 2 square root of 36, right? Then it is equal to 1 over 2 times 6, which is 12. Okay, let me try to change the color, okay? There we go. So with whole this idea, these values, then we can update my linear approximation Lx, okay? So it is 6 plus 1 over 12 and x minus 36. Now we get ready, okay? But keep that in mind. This L is working for function f near a equal to 36, okay? So what they have to do is, we would like to talk about the value square root of 36.1, okay? So that is exactly equal to f of 36.1, okay? Then again, this L is then for this guy, right? Approximation value with L of 36.1. Is that clear? Okay? Then just plug in 36.1 into my linear approximation L, then that is equal to 6 plus 1 over 12 and 36.1 minus 36. But keep that in mind, this value must be small value, okay? If it is too big, then it is not good approximation, okay? It is equal to 6 plus 1 over 12 times 0.1, which is 1 over 10, right? So that is 6 plus 1 over 120, okay? So do you remember at the beginning of this problem, we assume square root of 36.1 will be a little bit bigger than 6, right? How little? This little, right? So I can say square root of 36.1 can be approximated linearly by this value, okay? But keep that in mind, this is not exact value. There's no way to find exact value, okay? But we just like, approximate how big it is, okay?